Hey everybody, welcome back to Tenza Motorsports. A really quick video today where we fix the rattles that the F30 tends to develop the older it gets. But before we get into that, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you enjoy this type of content, leave us a like, that's much appreciated. And make sure to check us out on Instagram, Tenza_Motorsports. Now the F30 chassis is starting to get over 10 years old, and it starts to develop some rattles, as all cars, makes and models do. Now this rattle will start when the car is cold, and eventually it's starting to rattle when it's warm outside, and then eventually it's rattling at any speeds. And basically what's going on is your door lock is rattling around the little collar that it has on it. Very simple fix. Basically just take some Velcro. We'll take the double-sided, like the sticky Velcro. We'll take the soft side and put it on the inside of the collar. So let's go get that done. All right, so this is it completely finished, and you can see that there's a piece there and there is a small piece there. And the reason I did that is because the edge of this actually has a little bit of a bevel in it. I'm sorry if it's difficult to see what's going on here, but there's a little bevel on the inside, and all I did was add 2 pieces in there on those flat surfaces, and that way the door lock can't move around a whole bunch anymore. And that's all there is to it. This should keep it from clicking, and if you need to add more, you can. I think this is probably enough. I've already slipped it over the door lock a few times, and it's not moving around in there very much. So yeah, pretty simple fix. All you have to do is have some double back Velcro, and I think most people have that in their household, so there you go. So hopefully all that made sense. Really simple process. You don't have to have your door cards off to do this. This can be done for as little as a couple bucks if you can find some Velcro that's on sale local. If you need to buy some online, I do have links to everything we use in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bam!